Hello children, today we are going to start the next chapter, decimals. A decimal is another way of expressing a fraction. If we divide one whole into 10 equal parts, then each part indicates 1 upon 10 or 1/10. This can be written as 0.1. Here this dot is called as decimal. Similarly, if we take 8 parts out of 10, then the fraction is 8 upon 10, or we can say 8 tenths. This 8 upon 10 is equals to 0.8 in decimals. Let us now divide a whole into 100 equal parts. You can see we have divided one whole into 100 equal parts. So here each part indicates 1 upon 100. So this 1 upon 100 is called as 1/100th, or it can be written as 0.01 in decimal. Similarly, if we take 28 parts out of 100, then the fraction for it will be 28 upon 100 or 28/100th. In decimal form, we can write it as 0.28. Remember, whenever we read any number in decimal, then each digit after decimal is read separately. We will not read it as 28. That will be wrong. This is read as 0.28. Each digit after decimal is read separately. Same way, if we divide one whole into 1000 equal parts, then each part of the whole represent 1000. That means one part out of 1000 part is written as 1 upon 1000 in fractions, or 0.001 in decimal, or simply 1000th. So 1 upon 10 is equals to 0.1. 1 upon 100 is equals to 0.01, and 1 upon 1000 is equals to 0.001. Observe the following pattern here. The number of digits after decimal point in the decimal numeral is equals to the number of zeros after 1 in the denominator of the fraction. Here you can see that number of digits after decimal. In the first question, it is 1. Only 1 is there after decimal. And look at the denominator of the fraction. Here also we have 1 0. Similarly, in the next one, 2 digits are there after decimal, and in denominator there are 2 zeros. In the third one, 3 digits are there after decimal, and in the denominator there are 3 zeros. So always number of digits in the decimal is equals to number of zeros after 1 in the denominator. Therefore, a decimal number has two parts, the whole part and the decimal part, which is separated by a decimal point. Look at the given example 6.9. Here 6 is the whole part and 7/9 is the decimal part. So it can also be written as 6 whole 79 upon 100 in fractional form, as 6 is the whole part and 7/9. They both there are two digits after decimals, so we will put two zeros in the denominator. So it will be equals to 79 upon 100, and it is read as 6.79 9. Look at the place value chart shown below to understand decimals in a better way. We have already read the place value chart for whole numbers. We know the first place for whole number is ones, then we have tens, then hundreds, and then thousands, and so on. After decimal, at the right side of the decimal, the first place is tenth place. Here, there is a difference in tens and tenth. Tens means multiplied by 10, but tenth means 1 upon 10. Similarly, next place after 10 is hundredth, which denotes 1 upon 100. Next place after hundredth is thousandth, which means 1 upon 1000. So, the place value of the given numeral here 6785.293. You can see the place value of 5 is 5 as it is at ones place. Place value of 8 is 80 because it is at tens place. Place value of 7 is 700 as it is at hundreds place. And place value of 6 is 6000 as it is at thousands place. Now come to the decimal part. Here 2 is at 10th place. So the place value of 2 is 2 upon 10, which can also be written as 0.2. The next digit, that is 9, it is at 100th place. So the place value of 9 is 9 upon 100, which is equals to 0.09. Similarly, the next digit 3 is at 1000th place. So the place value of 3 is 3 upon 1000, which can also be written as 0.003. Now, in expanded form, we will write this numeral as 6000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 5 plus, now come to the decimal part. So 2 upon 10 plus 9 upon 100 plus 3 upon 1000, and we can also write it as 6000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 5 plus 2 upon 10 can be written as 0.2 plus 0.09 plus 0.003. So both are the correct ways of writing the numeral in expanded form.